comfort, continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of the law, the compassionate, the merciful, have we not lifted up your heart and relieved you of the burden which weighed down your back? Have we not given you high renown? Every hardship is followed by ease. Every hardship is followed by ease. When your prayers are ended, resume your toil and seek your Lord with all fervor. And there's a Sufi order that they say Surah 109. Yeah, 109 is Qul Ya Ayyuhal Kafirun. And they say the last three surah, and they say this one. So they say each one 10 times as their chief form of remembrance. And there was an experience that happened to Muhammad when he was a child, and it freaked out another kid who sort of witnessed what went on. Is like, the angels came in and took out and cleaned his heart. And